Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorials to C Programming. In this video I am going to discuss about the operators used in C. Basically there are three types of operators, namely unary operators, binary operators and ternary operators. Unary operators require only one operand, binary operator requires two operands and ternary operator requires three operands. So in this video I am going to discuss about unary operators. The first one is the typecasting operator. It is used to store the value of one data type into another data type. For example, if you have declared int a and initialized b as 3.14, which is a float value, and then you type a is equal to int and in parenthesis you type b. This is the typecasting operator syntax. Now this will store the integer part of variable b, that is 3, in variable a. After executing the program, the value of a will be 3. So it basically ignores the float part and stores the int part of b, that is 3, into a variable a. The next operator is address of operator. It displays the memory address of a variable. For example, if you have a variable a and suppose its memory location is 2000, something like that, so it will display 2000 as the address of the variable a when you use this command or other operator. The next one is value of operator. It displays the content stored in memory address of a variable. For example, if you have declared a variable a and its value is 3, so whenever you use this operator it will display 3. The next one is size of operator. It is used to display the memory size of a variable in bytes. For example, if you have declared a variable a as integer data type and you use this operator, it will display 2 because integer data type consumes 2 bytes of memory. The next one is increment operator. It increases the value of the variable by 1. It has two types, pre-increment and post-increment. I'll discuss about it later. For example, int a is equal to 3, a plus plus. After execution, the value of a is 4. Decrement operator, it decreases the value of variable by 1. Two types, pre-decrement and post-decrement. For example, int a is equal to 3, a minus minus. After execution, the value of a is 2. Now, what is this pre and post? Basically, pre-increment, for example, this fifth one, if you use pre-increment, it will be plus plus a. So it will increment the value, that is, it will store 4 before execution of the program. And if you use post increment, that is a plus plus, it will store 4 after execution of the program. So that's the difference between pre and post. So that's all about unary operators. If you have any doubts, please do ask them in the comment box below, and I'm sure that I'll be able to clear them out. And please watch my upcoming videos and do subscribe to my channel and hit like button. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.